I was sent this grass-fed gelatin powder for my review, and I'm going to be trying it for the very first time. Normally, this is something that I find is better to put in a hot drink. For example, my husband takes a scoop of something similar to this every morning in his coffee. I don't drink coffee, so I am going to be trying it in a cold, well, this is a lukewarm beverage. I'm going to put it in there, and we're just going to see if it dissolves well. But again, I do highly recommend trying this in a hot beverage. So 1 tablespoon is all you need, and 1 tablespoon has 10 grams of collagen, which I think is really great. And this right here, I'm just looking at the back, like how to use. You can make like Jello and gummies out of this. You can also help thicken soups and smoothies. And then of course you can just mix it into beverages as well. So this one right here, it is unflavored, which of course is great. That's why you can put it in so many different things, because it is not going to change the flavor of whatever you are making. As I had just opened it, I did not feel a scooper inside here. It might be like way down on the bottom. Usually sometimes it is, but no, I'm not feeling it. So I'm just going to take one of these, and we've got like a spoon here. We're going to put that in. So I'm going to mix it, but then I'm also going to mix it with my little blender. We're going to try that just in case, because again, this is actually dissolving quite well. That's actually really surprising. I don't even know if I need my little mixer. Look at that. As I said, normally you get like pretty clumpy. That is the first time I've seen that dissolve so well. That's really fantastic. So now I'm gonna try and see if it truly is unflavored, see how it tastes, if there's any, no, zero flavor, hasn't changed anything. Obviously, like looking at it, because you can make jellies and stuff, you do like see it floating in there. I do again think that's why it's best to put it in a hot beverage, but does not change anything about this drink. Just a really easy way to get 10 grams of collagen. I think it's great.